Hola y bienvenido a Spring Spanish. Mi nombre es Juan and I am one of the Spanish teachers at Spring Spanish. I give you a warm welcome to our free Spanish beginners course. If you're just starting out with Spanish or want to refresh the most important basics of Spanish, then you are in the right place. We have prepared the most important beginners topics and created videos for each one of them for you. Here are some topics that you can expect in this course. Greetings, introductions, saying thank you, saying goodbye, Spanish pronunciation, the alphabet, the numbers, the colors, the days of the week, the months, the time, basic Spanish grammar, speaking about topics such as the weather, your family, your nationality, your job, your hobbies, and much, much more. In these videos, we'll teach you how to speak about these topics in Spanish through our conversation-based chunking method, a way to speak Spanish without having to cram words list and study grammar's rules by heart, that we also use in our Spring Spanish Academy. You'll learn more about that throughout the beginner's course. So lean back and enjoy while the Spring Spanish teachers team consisting of Cori, Maria Fernanda, Mariana, Paulísima, and myself help you to learn Spanish to finally speak with natives, having Spanish sentences roll out of your tongue and travel to Spanish-speaking countries while conversing with locals effortlessly. To make sure you'll have this video saved in your account and you won't miss any new videos from our channel, click the subscribe button now. ¡Acompáñame!